how to remove multiple accounts on Facebook. So if you want to remove multiple accounts on your Facebook, then first let's open up the Facebook application. And then you can go to your profile, which is on the upper right, and scroll down and log out. And once you've logged out, you will have these accounts, right? So if you want to remove your account on Facebook, then you can simply go for settings, which will be on the upper right. And after tapping on settings, now you can simply choose any account that you would like to remove. So I'll be choosing this one, and here you will have remove profile option. Tap on that and again tap on remove. And once you tap on remove, your account will be removed on Facebook. So you can do that with all of the accounts, and that's how you remove multiple accounts on Facebook. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.